Caffeine is an incredible force that can completely change our mornings. When that rich, aromatic coffee touches your lips, it's not merely a warm beverage, it's an exhilarating wave of energy surging through your body. This burst of vitality happens because caffeine blocks adenosine, the hormone that makes you feel sleepy. Suddenly, you feel a surge of alertness, and your focus becomes razor-sharp. But wait, there's even more. Studies reveal that coffee can lift your spirits and boost your memory. Just picture it, feeling brighter and more mentally agile with every sip of that delightful brew. Coffee also acts as a powerful defender against free radicals loaded with antioxidants. It's like an invisible armor protecting your health. However, be cautious. Too much caffeine can lead to jitters or anxiety. Striking the right balance is crucial for that ideal coffee experience. How do you take your coffee? Black with a splash of cream? Or perhaps a dash of cinnamon? We'd love to hear your favorite ways in the comments. If this piqued your curiosity, tap that like button and share it with fellow coffee aficionados. Let's keep the coffee dialogue alive and explore more about our cherished drink together. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.